Difficulty is for the purpose of having maintenance, these kind of figures cannot be, you can't project this kind of a case. Car fuel here 4,000 you will show, and again in her expenses you show transportation.
Because she has to go for 4-5 therapies,
But you
my lord.
cannot add everything at every place. Fruit, vegetables, dairy products, gas, electricity, home repairs from plumber, electrician. How can you show in the
Those are
dependence
general
account?
expenses.
You get 2,90,000. You spend 2 lakh and odd on the child per month.
My lord, the mother can't be faulted for wanting the child to live a normal life like the other children.
That's not the argument.
Daughter of the respondent. My lord, I filed a petition for enhancement, my lord. On the last date of hearing, the respondent was directed to file his affidavit of assets and liabilities. He hasn't come on record, my lord. I may be
Respondent has appeared last time.
No, my lord. I-1 came to be allowed.
I number 1024 is filed by the petitioner seeking direction to respondent to file his affidavit of assets and liabilities. Accordingly, is allowed. Now, what will happen now?
Adverse inference may be taken and I may be permitted to argue my matter on merits, my lord.
What is this? What is the impugned order?
40,000 a month was granted, my lord. I appear for the daughter of the
Where is the
respondent.
impugned order?
It is at page 24, my lord.
24? I think there
Reason,
is another volume.
volume 1, my lord.
Page number 24.
24. The reasons are at page 28, my lord.
Yes.
If I may be permitted to read, my lord.
Partly allowed. The respondent is hereby directed to pay rupees 40,000 per month for the maintenance of the minor children from the date of application till disposal. What is your income?
My income is 2.8, my lord. The income of the respondent in his affidavit of assets and liabilities before the trial court, he's mentioned 4.96 base pay, my lord. 4.87, apologies, my lord. 4.87 base pay, page 54, my lord. At page 50,
expenses of the child. Come to that. Therapy of so and so. Physiotherapy 21,000. Speech therapy 16,000. Food therapy 14,000. Ayurvedic treatment. So you're spending an amount of rupees 95,100.
the total amount that I spend, that the mother spends on the child is about
Plus 8,000. Total, we take it as 1 lakh. You are spending 1 lakh towards the child's expenditure.
No, my lord, it works up on an average, it works up to 2.5 lakhs, my lord.
Per annum.
That's just the therapy. Yes,
That's what I'm
yes,
saying.
my lord.
There are certain expenditures which are monthly, certain expenditures yearly.
Yearly, yes, my lord.
So after point number 5, stated or about 2,80,500 is your annually, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Fruit, vegetables, dairy products, gas, electricity, home repairs from plumber, electrician. How can you show in the
Those are
dependence
general
account?
expenses.
We can't show them, show on the dependence expenditure. What is the age of the child?
9, my lord.
What he stated, what is his income?
He at page number 596, 87 lakhs, my lord. This is his base pay, not his CTC.
Where do
my
you
lord.
get that?
At page 596, my lord, of his own affidavit of assets and liabilities.
596. Spending amount of rupees 1,28,760. And another 10,000 if you take for other expenses, 10,000 and plus 13,000, that is 23,000. It comes to 1,50,000 roundabout. Then you tell about all the house expenses which the girl is unconnected with. So she requires a nanny and house help. That is her in that entire page of 48 and 49. That is only what she is concerned with.
General expenses, nanny and house
No, you say car
therapy.
fuel. No, car fuel here 4,000 you will show, and again in her expenses, you show transportation.
Because she has to go for 4-5
But
therapies,
you
my lord.
cannot add everything at every place, sir. If you're adding fuel, car fuel, transportation at one place, again you can't add transportation at
If
another
I may
place, sir.
explain, my lord, sometimes the mother picks and drops the child up. Sometimes she gets an auto to pick the child up from therapy because she's at work. So the transportation expenses are different, my lord. It's all calculated on actuals and the bank statements have been produced, my lord. In my evidentiary affidavit, I've in detail produced everything.
School expenses for 2,15,000.
Per year,
Hmm.
assistant teacher is 22,000 per month, who's a shadow teacher.
No, when you speak about the school expenses, that is all.
Be in school, my lord.
In
The
school,
shadow teacher.
it includes everything.
No, my lord, that is a school fees, my lord. 2,15,000 is a school fees. Assistant teachers should be paid every month. A shadow teacher should be paid every month 22,000. It's under education expenses at page 49, my lord.
No, but don't you feel that all these are all exorbitant figures?
This is how much is paid on actuals, my lord.
Then
A
where are
shadow
the receipts
teacher,
for this?
we have my evidentiary affidavit. I may
No,
be
if every autism kid, he requires this much of amount, is it,
because of the child.
third, the difficulty is, for the purpose of having maintenance, these kind of figures cannot be, you can't project this kind of a case, which
No,
nobody can believe.
my lord, the shadow teacher is with the child the whole time. Since she is suffering from autism, she cannot understand what the normal teacher says. So she needs a shadow teacher with her all the time. That shadow teacher charges. She's
Not about, don't only mention about the shadow teacher. What are all the expenses you have mentioned every month?